Hello everyone, this is Leena Moon. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you such incidents which are related to the meaning of my name. I remember when I was studying in school, one of my teachers asked all students meaning of their own names. He also mentioned that why our parents keep such meaningful name. Because we would grow up to be like that. Our parents also believe that we deserve such meaningful name. Turn by turn, all students explain meaning of their names. When my turn came, I didn't even know the meaning of my name. My teacher made it clear that my name is meaningless. There is no meaning hidden in my name. And he questioned on me that how would I be able to develop those qualities if my name is meaningless. So according to him, a person must have a meaningful name. Another incident I remember, when I started going to college, I had a lecturer. He said that whatever your name is, it doesn't matter. It is not necessary that your qualities should match with your name. He explained with a good example of a girl's name, Sunaina. Sunaina is a girl having beautiful eyes. Sunaina means a girl having beautiful eyes. But what he said, you couldn't even believe. He had seen all girls named Sunaina are crossed eyes. Crossed eyes means bhengi aakhi. Eyes are not always aligned. Crossed eyes is a condition in which both eyes do not look at the same place at the same time. I don't know how much truth is there in this, but what he meant was that your name doesn't necessarily match with your features. I was literally searching the meaning of my name. And I started believing that my name didn't mean anything. I didn't have dared to go and ask someone who kept my name. And if whoever kept it, why did he choose that one only? When I searched on Google, I discovered something. I saw there is a river named Lena. L-E-N-A. Lena is in Russia. The Lena river is one of the longest rivers in the world. Russia's Lena river is 4,400 kilometers long, making it the length longest in the world and the third longest river in Siberia. What happened one day, I listened something. I have no words to explain my feelings when I listened to this song first time. Literally, I fall in love with my name when I first time listened this song. I love this song sung by Kishore Kumar. Excellent voice quality of the greatest singer. Kishore Kumar sung this song for his beautiful wife, Leena Chandavarkar. Later I came to know that my father kept my name after a famous celebrity. Recently, I have found one video in which the meaning of the name Leena has been explained. Diligent girl. It means having or showing care in one's work or duties. I have no idea to what extent it suits me. Eventually, that issue of meaning of my name got solved, but another issue has come up. That is about my surname. As you know, my surname is Moon. people think that I have used it as a symbol. They never heard this surname before. I have a very unique surname. Do you know what does moon represent? The moon is a feminine symbol. The phases of the moon symbolizes immortality, eternity, enlightenment. Recently, I have gone through name tests. By name test, we get to know the meaning of our name. I want to read what is inside it. Every woman's name has a symbol. What's yours? Lena, the sun, fights alone. It's not often that you meet women like Lena. She has the heart of an angel and the spirit of a warrior. Her life has never been easy, but she wears her past hardships like armor. She is strong, independent, and always sincere. Lena has built walls around her for a reason, and not everyone gets the same version of her. One person might tell you she has a beautiful soul. Another might tell you she is cold-hearted. Believe them both. She acts accordingly. Everyone who is loved by her is the luckiest person. But don't ever take advantage of her kindness, because once you break her trust, she is ready to walk away. Lena is a free bird, beautiful to watch but impossible to catch. The symbol of my name is the sun. Yes, you heard it right. The sun. Unbelievable. Yes, here I got another meaning of my name. Now it's time to say goodbye. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment box. I will be back with another video. Till then, you take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.